In this session, we are going to discuss about exceptional handling. This is a important topic we should learn in Java. So, the main objective of this experiment will enable you to apply Java exception handling mechanisms to develop a robust Java application by make use of try, catch, throw, and throws final and user defined exception. These are the when exception will come, you need to use try, catch blocks, throws, and finally these are the some blocks you should use so that the exception will be it will not occur. So what do you mean by exception handling? The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that normal flow of an application can be maintained. What is an exception? In Java, exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at runtime. What is exceptional handling? Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found, I input output, sequential, remote, etc. These are some exceptions. So we can see common scenarios where exception may occur. Scenario where arithmetic exception occurs. So if we divide any number by 0, there occurs an arithmetic expression. For example, int a equal to 50 by 0. So actually 50 anything by 0 is infinity. So but in system it will not show you as an infinity number, but it will show you as a error. So to overcome this error, we will use an arithmetic exception, the arithmetic exception. So we will overcome this exception. Scenario where null pointer exception occurs. If we have null value in a variable, performing any action by the variable occurs and null pointer exception. If nothing is there in a variable, then we should null pointer exception. So to overcome this, we need to type null pointer exception. String s equal to null, s dot will be s dot line. So scenario where number format error occurs. The wrong formatting of a value may occur in number formal exception. Suppose having a string variable that has characters, converting this variable into digit will occur number format exception. So you have string and you will type numbers. So there you will find this exception. So int I equal int integer or parcel int. In this is number format exception. The another one is array index out of bound exception occurs. If you are inserting any value in the wrong index, it would result int a array. So the array you are creating an array of size. You're you're creating an array of 5 and you like to insert the values more than 5. How could it is possible? So to overcome this, an array index out of bound exception is used. So there are some keywords which should be used for overcome the exceptions, that is try, catch, finally throw, throws. So the here you can see a sample example. Here we have created a test try catch 2 and so int data 50 by 0. This is arithmetic exception. So you are writing this try, you are writing int data 50 by 0, the arithmetic exception in try block, and you are catching that arithmetic exception. The result is e. There's a rest of the code. Okay, so we are solving a program. Develop a Java program to maintain the employee details. Create custom example to deal with the following situation. If an employee name is a number, if an employee age is greater than 50, if an employee age is below 30 days. I've already typed in the code, just I would like to explain. So you can see I have created a class called employee and integer. So they said to use integer for id and name, age, and name and age, int age. So static int digit count int x. Okay, so int t equal to 0 while x not equal to 0, x equal to x by 10 to e plus plus. So I'm returning the t. Sorry. So public, so I'm giving the choice to the user so he can type anything. So int a b f strings srw enter employee id. So you need to enter the employee id in the numbers. You should not enter the employee id in the uh, letter. So it will, if you write, it will show some errors. So I'm creating f equal to employee digit count. So the employee id should be greater than 4. Throw, I'm throwing it and I'm catching the exception invalid employee id. SRWT Again, I'm using the age. I'm using this in try age s out. Enter age. If it is below 50, throw a new invalid exception, then catch the exception. So uh, s out, enter your name. So I'm using a for loop, which I'm keeping try block and throwing an invalid expression. So this is a main class. So this is what I will do in. So here I'm extending the exception. You can see extend exception. This I need to do. Should not be, the name should not be great, the name should be greater than, id should be greater than 3 words. You can understand where when I execute the output. So enter employee id. If I type 1 2 3, it will tell each id should be greater than 3 digits. So again I need to proceed. So 1 2 3 4, okay. Enter your age. So if I type 67, it should be less than 50. Again I need to proceed. So 1 2 3 4. So age is 36. So it will ask your name. So you need to type whatever you want. So this is what the program is about. So uh, this is very important concept in Java. Thank you.